Hey guys, we're going to have a look at the A position bar chords. Now, what I mean by A position is we're actually using the open A chords as a framework for the actual bar chord. So take the A major. All right. Now, what we can do is if we flip our fingers around and use our second, third, and little finger, that frees us up to use our first finger for our bar. Now we'll move it up onto the 5th fret and we're going to go across these 5 strings. Now, I say that at first, but you know what? The best thing about these bar chords is if you do it across these strings, this is our root note. Above our root note is always a 5th, which doesn't sound bad at all if you accidentally hit it. So still try to strum from your root note, but don't stress about it if you accidentally hit it. So even though we would look at this and go, that would be the notes on bar, you can actually do this whole lot. So we'll use that. Now, let's get our chord. So our 3 fingers down, flatten your first finger across the entire fretboard on that 5th fret. Now, you should feel a bit of tension here, like it's actually a bit of pressure to put down. So make sure on the back of your guitar you've got your thumb nicely placed in the middle. And something, if you're using this sitting down position with your guitar neck flat, you can actually bend your guitar a bit. So you're pulling both your arms back and using your body to sort of almost bend the guitar this way, right? That can help you get your pressure. And got yourself a bar chord. Now, you feel that it's a little bit uncomfortable. It's very playable, but it's a little bit uncomfortable. Pick the guitar up, put it in the classical position, and see what happens, okay? It becomes so much easier. So there is a reason that we actually use classical position. It's the right way to play guitar. But, you know, maybe it's not rock star enough. So, up to you. Now look, one of the things that we'll do here is, rather than doing this three fingers like that, we can cheat and just bar your finger across those notes, all right? Not fully pushing down that last one, but you know what? No one will notice. So then we can bar both fingers, really just trying to push down those top 2 and... Okay, so you've got 3rd finger, 1st finger, there you go. Now, that's a D, all right? Our root note is D. If I want to do a D flat, all I do is move back 1 fret. Easy, isn't it? And that's why these bar chords are great, because you can actually start to go into all of those chords that really don't have an open chord, all of your flats, sharps. So, let's have a little look now at the minor, right? Same thing, we take our A minor shape, playing it without that 1st finger, move it up and bar. So here we go, D minor. All right, now that's really cool. And when you think about it, you go, oh, actually, can I play my other chords? Can I play my suspended chord? And yes, you can. So taking that 2nd finger off and beautiful. There's your 9th. So now we've got a D minor 9th played up here. So, sorry, it's a D suspended ninth, but we're about to hit the minor. So, really, really handy. Okay, now you can then slip that suspended back quite easily. Okay, so your versatility then becomes really huge. All of these open chords you've used can then be turned into bar chords of some version. Okay, so look, that's a lot to work on. Just playing around with your major and minor to start, but then start to get a bit creative after that. Look, we'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.